If you are looking for an easy sugar cookie recipe, this is the recipe for you. This recipe does not require any chill time, so you cannot use cookie cutters to shape these sugar cookies. I will be using a product from a company called Redmond to make these cookies. They have a lot of kitchen appliances and other great products, so go check out their website. They send a beautiful hand mixer, which is really quiet when mixing. The settings on the hand mixer are really easy to follow, and it has a really sleek design. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. In a large bowl, add softened cubed butter and granulated sugar. Using a hand or stand mixer, cream the butter and sugar together until well combined. Scrape down the bowl as necessary, making sure everything is mixed together. Add in 1 egg and vanilla extract. Continue mixing those ingredients on a medium speed until they are fully incorporated into the mixture. A really cool feature about this hand mixer is that you can increase the speed with just one button without adjusting the settings. And like I said before, this hand mixer is super quiet when mixing. If you like the hand mixer, I will have a link to it as well as a temporary discount code in the video description below. In another bowl, add all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Whisk these ingredients together until they are combined. Start adding the flour mixture to the butter mixture a little at a time and mix on a medium speed. Continue adding the flour mixture and keep mixing the ingredients together. Check out more awesome cookie recipes in my cookie playlist in the link above or the video description below. Add the remaining flour mixture and continue mixing. Use a cookie scoop or a tablespoon and roll the dough into a small ball and place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. You can leave these cookies as is or roll them in sugar, sanding sugar, or use sprinkles to decorate them. Bake these cookies in a 375-degree preheated oven for around 8 to 10 minutes. And don't forget to go check out the Redmond website. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.